Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Exodus wallet. It's a crypto exchange. All right, I'm not going to go into a whole bunch of detail on how to use the wallet. It's just going to show you what we need it for, what we use it for. But the Exodus wallet is a wallet that exchanges cryptos. You can exchange it for different types of cryptos. All right, go to the App Store or the Apple iOS Store. All right, the Play Store or whatever, and then get the Exodus. It's the big blue cross. And you want to, it's going to come up like this when after you download. It's going to come up, like this below: secure and easy to use crypto wallet. Get started or already have an account. All right, so you want to click on the get started. If you already have an account, you want to go ahead and click on have an account. It's going to ask you for your seed words, and then it'll restore everything. But if you're brand new to this, you want to click on get started. It's going to go through a little bit of options, a little bit of things to do, and get going. All right, so I have some money in mine already, so it's showing I have some Tron in here. Now, when you go to it, you're going to want to, it's going to come defaulted with the Bitcoin here, Ethereum, the Sol down here, and Doge. You want to add the top one, which is TRX, which is Tron, and you want to add USDT TRX, okay? So you put down here to add more. And you're going to click on the Tron right here, or you can search for it, TRO, and click on Tron, and you want to highlight it, like so it's purple right there, all right? And then the same thing with, you want to come down and find Tether USD TRX. Now don't get Tether USD TRX confused with Tether USD SOL or Tether USD ETH. All right, it's the red one, Tether USD TRX with the, if you look at it on the green box right here with the T, it's a diamond. All right, this one, use this one. All right, do not use the Tether USD SOL or the Tether USD ETH. You want to use the Tether USD TRX. So you're going to slide that button over there, and then when you go back, it'll be over here. Okay, now, first thing you want to do is you want to get money into this wallet. All right, so you're going to go to your crypto wallet that you have right now, and you're going to buy your crypto, your Bitcoin. Okay, buy your Bitcoin. And then you want to send that Bitcoin to this Bitcoin. So you want to click on this BTC, click on that. The up arrow on the left-hand side means you're going to be sending money out. The right arrow coming down on the right-hand side means you're going to be receiving money. All right, so you want to click on the down arrow, and that's your Bitcoin address. All right, that is your Bitcoin address. So you're gonna go to your crypto wallet that you have right now and send money to this wallet address. All right, okay, so let's go back. So once you have that money comes in, it takes a few minutes, maybe. I think it says an hour, but in mine doesn't normally take more than 20, 25 minutes. You'll see your money populate right here where it says BTC 0. I don't have any crypto in here because I've already put it in my account. So but you'll have it right here. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to take Bitcoin and you want to convert it to USDT. Okay, but here's what you need to do first. You need to have some Tron in your network. The top TRX. You need to have some TRX in your network. So one of two ways to do that. If you're going to be a builder and you're going to try to, market this thing and build up under you, you want to go ahead and purchase at least $155 worth of TRX. The reason being is, in order for you to transfer your Bitcoin to USDT TRX, you have to have some Tron in your wallet. You have to have some money in your wallet, about $5 to $6. But you can only buy Tron in increments of $155 from Bitcoin. All right, so let me make sure you understand this. If you're going to bring somebody on and they don't have Tron, somebody has to give them at least $6 of Tron. So what I did is I went ahead and bought the minimum $155 worth of Tron. So now if I sign somebody up, say I sign up one person, and they're new to this, they don't have this stuff, they don't have Tron, I have to actually send them $6 worth of Tron to their wallet so they'll have some money to make the exchange, because without the money in the Tron to make the exchange, you can't make the exchange. So if I have I got $163 worth there right there. So I can send $6, to people, and it not really affect me. I can send it a lot of times to get down to zero, right? Because I got 163. I need to send it to them in increments of like $6, $5 to $6. So if I send somebody $6, now they can transfer their Bitcoin to USDT. All right. So now if you're thinking about growing a team, you're going to need to do the same thing. Or if you don't do it, they're going to have to go and spend an extra $155 so they can, which is the minimum. You can't just buy $6 worth of Tron. You have to buy the minimum of 155, with Bitcoin. Okay, that's the rate right now. So it's easier for me just to go as a builder, as a builder. This is not a network marketing opportunity. All right. However, if I want to bring one person in, 2 people, 5 or 10 people in, they're going to have Tron in their network, in their wallet, to be able to make the transaction. Okay. So I'll just send them $6 into their wallet so they can make the transaction. So once you have that money in, once they have that money in their transaction, they can now take the Bitcoin that they sent to their wallet right here. They got the Bitcoin in their wallet. They can convert it to the USDT, which is what we use to fund the COTPS wallet. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's just say I have $6 of Tron in here, right? I got $163 in here right now, okay? But I'm new. Somebody sent me $6. I got my Bitcoin in here that I want to use to fund my wallet. So now that I have the Tron in here, the TRX money in here, I can click on Bitcoin. Right, I'm sorry. I can click on exchange, which is the 2 arrows right here in the middle at the bottom. Click on that. Now I have Bitcoin, right? I want to exchange it for USDT TRX. So down here where it says TRX, I'm gonna click on that down arrow, and I'm gonna say I want to exchange it for USDT TRX. All right. So now it looks like this. I have Bitcoin. I want to exchange it to that. Then I would hit the exchange button again. All right. Now, it's not going to let me do anything right now because I don't have anything here. And whatever you have in your Bitcoin wallet, if you want to send it all to USDTRX, click on max. If you only want to send half, click on half, or the minimum, whatever. But normally you're going to click on max because all the money that you're sent to your Bitcoin is what you want to trade with. So you want to convert it to USDTTRX first. So click on max. Now, it's not going to let me do anything right now because as you see, my Bitcoin wallet is empty. I don't have any Bitcoin, but you'll click on max and then you'll click on the 2 arrows, the yellow and the blue arrow, and it will start exchanging it. And it takes anyway 10 to 15 minutes, and you will see the exchange. Once it's done, you'll come back to over here to your your home right here. The value will still be at the top, but you'll see the money gone from your Bitcoin wallet over down here to where it says USDT TRX. You'll see the money in there. All right. So once the money is in there, then we want to send it to our COTPS wallet address. Now, how you do that, right? Once the money's in USDT TRX, you'll see it right here where mine says 0. You'll see whatever it is minus the fees, because it's always going to be fees, right? So minus the fees. Once that money's in there, you'll click on USDTX and you'll click on the left arrow up button because that means you want to send the money out, right? You want to send it out. So you're going to send it click on that. And you're going to put in how much, right? You're going to put in how much. I just say the whole, I just come over here and hit the bottom thing that says all, because I want to send all of it, right? So whatever all, click all, and you're going to be sending it. Once I do that, it's going to come up with an address to where you want to send it to, all right? And that address is going to be your COTPS wallet address, okay? You're going to send it to there. And I'll do another video showing how to get your COTPS wallet address. But that's how you get your Exodus wallet. That's how you fund your Exodus wallet. And this is how you transfer money from your Exodus wallet. And remember, if you're going to build a team, you might as well go ahead and get an extra $155. Now, $155 is the minimum. So you're going to need to buy at least $175 worth of crypto. Because remember, there's fees. Right? So if you're going to do 155, you need to buy at least 170. I would say 170, of crypto. So you can have at least a minimum of 155. If you have 154, not going to work. Minimum of 155 right now. All right. So I would send 175 over there. All right. So that's how you do that. We'll go into the next video, which will show you how you get to exit, how you get your COTPS wallet address.